drive-through testing today here in Norman, Oklahoma, and we've already processed about 40 people here today under the loose criteria for testing. Yesterday, we have about 1,000 tests that were done yesterday across the state of Oklahoma. We have over 80 testing sites across the state, including all of the 68 county health departments and also including the metro health departments of Tulsa and Oklahoma City. And so our goal is really, and I think the governor's goal, is to test as many people as that want to be tested. And we not only want to use this to see what's going on across the state as far as COVID-19, to do surveillance to see what is happening across our state. And the reason for that is so that we can follow up with hotspots across the state. We can move our public health workforce in to do contact tracing, interviews, and actually to isolate folks that might have COVID-19 so as not to spread it. So what we're really trying to do is to slow the spread. There are public labs like the public health lab. Like I say, ours are 24 to 48 hours, so I can tell you that that's the way that's happening. In the private sector, in the private labs, particularly if it's out of state, it might depend on how many are in the queue and how many are waiting. But our goal and what we are delivering is 24 to 48 hours.
And how close are you to having all the negative results in?
Getting very close to that. We continue to get more and more reporting from the labs and more cooperation on the negative tests, and that's sure showing a lot more negatives, and it really shows that that's reducing the percentage of positives that we're seeing as compared to overall testing. Well, we have a system that's set up for PPE distribution across the state, and particularly for hospitals and all. It's set up on a tiered system, and all of the tier one hospitals are a priority. And occasionally we will see around the state, we'll get a call from someone who is short. There's a system set up statewide to respond to that and to get PPE out to them the same day.